Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we will continue our first chapter, and in this video we will learn the concept of before, after and between numbers, and then we will do ascending and descending order. So let's start. Okay, so now we will learn the concept of before, after and between. After means what comes next. After means what comes next. When we have to write the number after the given number, then what we do is we start counting forward from the given number. That what comes next to that number. And before. What is meant by before? Before means what comes first. When we have to write the before number, what we do is we start counting backward. We do backward counting. Then we write before numbers. And what does between mean? Between mean what comes in the middle. What comes in the middle of before and after number. So now let's look at the given example at some numbers. Okay, now what comes after 11? If I have to see what comes after 11, then what we will do is we will see that what comes next to 11 means we start counting forward from 11. What comes next to 11? 12. It means 12 is after 11. And if I ask what is the number before 18, then what we do is we see the number that comes first to 18, that comes before 18, means we start counting backward. If we start counting backward from 18, then what comes first to 18? 17. It means that 17 is before 18. And if I ask what comes between 14 and 16, then we see the number that comes in the middle of both numbers. Okay, one digit less than 16 and one digit more than 14. So this is how we see before, after and between numbers. For before numbers we start counting. For before numbers we start counting backward. For after numbers we start counting forward, and for between numbers we see what comes in the middle of the two given numbers. So now let's do an exercise from your book. Okay, this question is on page number 2 on your book. So open your book, page number 2, and let's do this question. First we will do the before numbers. We'll do the A part. We have to write number that comes before this one. Okay, so first one is done. What comes before 29? 28. And now we'll do what comes before 59 or 54. So while writing before numbers we start counting backward. So one digit less than 54 is 53. So write 53 in the box. And what comes before 11? One digit less than 11. Start counting backward from 11. So 10 comes before 11. And what comes before 70? Start counting backward from 70, means one digit less than 70. So here comes 69. And the last three numbers you will do by yourself. These three questions you will do by yourself on your book. Now let's do after numbers. Write the number that comes after. Okay, so what comes after 34? It is already written here. 35 comes after 34. While doing after numbers we start counting forward. Now let's do this one. What comes after 77? Start counting forward from 77. One digit more than 77 is 78. So what comes after 77? 78. And what comes after 29? One digit more than 29. Start counting forward. 29 30. What comes after 40? 40, 41. And you will do the rest ones, these 3 questions. Okay, now let's do between numbers. What comes between? First one is done, that 23 comes between 22 and 24. We start counting forward from here, 1 digit more than 22 and 1 digit less than 24. Okay, what comes after 39? 40. 40 comes after 39, and what comes before 41? 40. 40 comes before 41. So 40 comes here. 40 comes between 39 and 41. Similarly, what comes after 99 and what comes before 100? 99. 98, 99 and 100. Then what comes here? 55. Start counting forward from 55. 56, 57. So 56 comes between 55 and 57. And these 3 questions are for you. So now you have to do the rest one on your books. Now let's move to the next slide. I hope the concept of before, after and between is clear now. Okay, now we will do how to put numbers in order. Putting in order. We will do ascending and descending order. Okay, what is descending and descending order? Ascending means when numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest numbers. Means we write the smaller number first and then we go towards larger numbers. But in descending order, numbers are arranged from largest to the smallest number. So in ascending order, when we are writing numbers in descending order, we write the larger number first and then we go towards smallest numbers. So we put numbers in order according to ascending and descending order. In ascending order, what we do? We write numbers from smallest to largest, and in descending order we write number from largest to smallest. Let's discuss them in detail to remember these 2 orders. Okay, here's a kid standing here at higher place. When he will go down from higher to lower place, means from larger to smaller numbers, that is in descending order. But when he has to go upwards towards higher place, that is in ascending order, means from lower to higher place, from smaller to larger numbers. So when we go down towards smaller numbers or towards lower places, that is descending order, and when we go towards higher places or when we go towards larger numbers, that is in ascending order. So always remember, when we are going downward, that is descending order. When we are going upwards, that is ascending order. Now let's do an exercise. Okay, so this is on page number 3 on your book, question number 4. Now let's do this one. Put these numbers in ascending order. Now we have to write these numbers in ascending order. And what is ascending order? When we go upward or when we go downward? When we go upwards, means from smaller to higher places, from smaller to largest numbers. So first we will write the smaller number. First question is done on your book. So we'll do the second one. Let's do this one. Okay, which is the smallest number? 14. 14 is the smallest number, so we'll write 14 first, then put comma. After 14, 19. Then 19 is the smallest one, so let's write 19. After 19, which one is smallest? 27. Then 27. Now after 27, which one is smallest? Then 78. Then 86. and then the largest one is 87. So this is how we write numbers in ascending order from smallest to greatest one. We go from smallest to largest number. So now let's do this one. Which one is the smallest? 13. So let's write 13 first. After 13 we'll write 44, then 46, then after 46 what comes next to 46? Then 51, then 72, and then 99. So this is how we write numbers in ascending order. Now the D part, the last part, is for you. You will do this by yourself. Now let's do descending order. This question is on page number 3 on your book. We have to write these numbers in descending order. First one is done on your book. So let's do the B part. Okay, descending order means you have to go down, means towards smaller numbers. So we'll write the largest number first. Which one is the largest number here? 100. 100 is the largest number. So we will write 100 first. After 100, 99. 99, then 77, then 58. After 58, which one is smallest? 49, and at the end 2. So we'll write 2 here. So this is how numbers are written in descending order. Now let's do the next part. Which one is the largest number here? 85. So we'll write 85 first, then 82. Then what comes after 82? Before 82, because we are going towards smaller numbers. So in smaller numbers we count towards backward. 49, then 32, then 17, and then 6. So now you have to do the last part by yourself. D part. This is for you. So you have to do this part by yourself. Now if you don't understand anything, or you have to ask something, or if you have to ask anything, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.